Today on CBTV Idaho, we're going to discuss the latest design concepts for the new College of Eastern Idaho Future Tech building. We're going to discuss a major construction project that Idaho Falls Power is now accepting bids for, and we're going to discuss an information meeting regarding the intersection of 17th and Rollandet that is happening this week, and it is an open invitation to the public. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. My name is Tyson, and you are watching Construction Business TV, Idaho Falls, Idaho. Welcome back, guys, to CBTV Idaho. My name is Tyson, and I'm your local journalist and videographer for Construction Business TV in the Idaho Falls area. If this is your first time on the channel, Construction Business TV is a YouTube-based news platform dedicated to keeping you informed and up to date on all the construction projects and developments going on in your local area. Let's start this off with the construction interruption report. Idaho Falls Public Works temporarily closed one block of Shoup Avenue yesterday, June 21st, for construction. Shoup Avenue from B Street to Constitution Way is going to be closed to vehicles until tomorrow, Wednesday, June 23rd, barring unforeseen issues. So crews are going to be removing the high crown surface, regrading, and then repaving the section of roadway from the alley to Constitution Way. New curb has already been installed and cement for the sidewalk has been poured, making the sidewalk usable for pedestrians. Next item of business, I have a huge batch of new job leads for you guys. CRH is hiring for 10 different job positions in Idaho Falls. These are all localized to Idaho Falls. They are all entry level. We have things such as equipment operator, production laborer, highway construction foreman, asphalt roller operator, and the list goes on and on. 10 different positions this company is hiring for. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to Indeed.com. You can follow that link to find more information on each of these positions and how to apply for them. Finally, before we get to our first story, I have a lumber market update for you. As of today, the current lumber market price was set at $890.50 per 1,000 board feet. This figure is down from $1,167 figure that I reported on this time 2 weeks ago. If you're liking the information that I'm providing for you, make sure that you hit the like button on the video. And with that, let's go to story number 1. Community members are invited to attend an informational meeting regarding the future intersection improvements at West 17th Street and Rollandet Street. The meeting will be held this Wednesday, June 23rd from 6 to 7:30 p.m. at the Mac Education Center at Idaho Falls Zoo, 2940 Carnival Way. For those who are not able to attend, this meeting will be recorded and posted to the city's webpage as well as the Public Works webpage. So the purpose of this meeting is to review the design recommendations for the intersection as well as the intersection at West 19th Street and Leslie Avenue. Staff from the Idaho Falls Public Works will be available to show the proposed design, get feedback on potential impact of the design, and answer questions. City Engineer Kent Fugel stated that this project is one more significant step toward the goal of making 17th Street safer for motorists and pedestrians. The intersection improvement project is slated for construction in 2022. Story number 2. Idaho Falls Power is requesting bids for a major construction project, the rebuild of the Idaho Falls Power Runner Hub. So bids for the construction of this project can be submitted to the office of the city clerk at 308 Constitution Way in Idaho Falls until next Wednesday, June 29th at 2 p.m. That is when the bids will be opened and publicly reviewed and read. So the project scope of work is going to include a base bid, which will consist of the removal, rebuild, and reinstallation of the lower plant running hub. An alternate bid can also include the removal, rebuild, and reinstallation of the upper plant running hub. Both bids are going to include all equipment, materials, and labor required to complete this project. Idaho Falls Power anticipates that the project's total bid price will run approximately $550,000 per runner hub rebuild, and the project has an expected duration of 135 days per runner hub rebuild. Information on the bidding documents for the project can be found at questcdn.com. Before I get on to story number 3, if you or somebody you know owns or runs a construction-based business, have them reach out to me. I would love the chance to meet them and to talk with them, to interview them, and to showcase them and their business on our platform for free. With that, let's get to story number 3. The College of Eastern Idaho has released the latest design concepts for its new Future Tech building. The proposed 88,000 square foot 2-story building will house current and future career technical education programs that will advance workforce and education capabilities in energy, environment, and technology. Anne-Marie Peters, Director of Strategic Partnerships, had this to say. The purpose of this building is to give Eastern Idahoans the opportunity to attain necessary technical training to fill present and future jobs. Future Tech will further support the state and industry partners with workforce and economic development. We intend for about 1,000 students a year to utilize Future Tech, half in workforce training and half pursuing AAS degrees. This will be a student-centric facility, and the great news is anyone can be a CEI student. So let's talk about this new Future Tech building. It's going to create a gateway to campus along 25th Hit Road Street at the traffic light and intersection with Walmart. The building site is located at the north end of campus, expanding the campus quad northward and connecting with Future Tech. Now let's talk about this design team. It's going to be comprised of architect expert Lombard Conrad Architects as well as Opsis Architecture. Local engineering firm Northwind Group is also part of this project team, and Anderson Construction was selected as the construction manager general contractor. Here's a quote from President Rick Amon. The building is designed to enhance the student experience. This will be a teaching and learning space. The planning team designed Future Tech fully around the use of this building as a teaching tool, a Swiss Army knife, a multi-tooled, multifunctional, multi-purpose facility. The college is aggressively fundraising for this state-of-the-art facility and hopes to complete construction of the project by the end of 2023 or early 2024. That concludes this week's weekly news update for Construction Business TV Idaho Falls. If you found the information helpful, make sure you subscribe to Construction Business TV and hit the notification bell so that you get updated when I come back every Tuesday to keep you informed about what's going on, what's being built in Idaho Falls. Thank you guys so much for your time. Thank you so much for your support. You guys drive safe.